Napansin mo ba na ang juice, coffee, at salt water all look uniform? Today, we'll discover why these are called solutions in science. Solutions are everywhere, from the drinks we enjoy to the medicines we take. Science helps us understand how these mixtures are formed. In this lesson, we'll learn what solutions are, identify solutes and solvents, and discover what makes one solution stronger than another. A solute is the substance being dissolved. Salt, sugar, and coffee powder are common examples that dissolve in water. Whenever you prepare juice or coffee, the powder you mix into water is called the solute because it dissolves. Although dissolved parts become too small to see, they remain evenly distributed throughout the solution, creating a uniform mixture. A solvent is the substance that dissolves the solute. Water is the most common solvent used in homes and laboratories. Water is often called the universal solvent because it can dissolve many different substances that we use every single day. While water is the most common solvent, some substances dissolve better in other liquids like alcohol or vinegar, depending on their properties. When a solute is mixed with a solvent, its particles spread evenly, forming a solution that looks the same throughout. The particle model helps us understand that dissolved particles become evenly distributed even though they are no longer visible to our eyes. Because the particles are evenly mixed, every sip of the solution has the same composition. That's why solutions are called homogeneous mixtures. Many liquids we use every day are solutions. Salt water, juice, vinegar, and soft drinks all contain substances evenly dissolved in a solvent. Solutions are homogeneous mixtures because their particles are evenly distributed. Every part of the mixture has the same composition from top to bottom. Although these solutions contain different solutes, they all appear uniform. This is because the dissolved particles are spread evenly. Concentration tells us how much solute is dissolved in a certain amount of solvent. More solute means a more concentrated solution. A dilute solution contains less solute, while a concentrated solution contains more. The amount of dissolved particles makes the difference. Imagine making powdered juice. Adding more powder creates a stronger flavor because the solution becomes more concentrated than the other glass. Stirring helps the solute dissolve faster because it brings fresh solvent into contact with the remaining undissolved particles. Warm water usually dissolves many solid substances faster than cold water because its particles move more quickly and collide more often. Smaller particles dissolve faster because they have more exposed surface area, allowing the solvent to interact with them more efficiently. Solutions are part of our daily lives. From the juice we drink to the soup we enjoy, science is always around us. Many medicines are prepared as solutions so the body can absorb them more easily. Proper preparation helps ensure safe and effective use. Once you understand solutions, you'll notice them everywhere at home. Science becomes more meaningful when connected to everyday experiences. Let's check your understanding. In salt water, which is the solute and which is the solvent? Think first before answering. Look carefully at these two juice solutions. Which one is dilute and which one is concentrated? Explain your answer using today's lesson. Here's your science challenge. Find 3 solutions at home and identify their solute and solvent. Share your answers with your classmates. Today we learned that every solution contains a solute and a solvent, working together to form a uniform homogeneous mixture. Remember these important ideas. Identify the solute, identify the solvent, compare concentration, and understand what makes substances dissolve more quickly. Science helps us understand even the simplest things we use every day. Keep exploring, because every discovery begins with curiosity. Keep asking, keep exploring, and remember, science starts with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next science adventure.